Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am going to show the Bitcoin caption chart and I show the price of BTC. So let's start. First of all, I see the caption chart of the Bitcoin. So if I see the on the chart, you can see this graph is going to up, and if I go to the 1 week chart, this graph going to up, and I go to the 1 month chart, this graph going to down. It's not essential. So if I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see the graph is going to up, and I see the 2 hour chart, this graph going to up, and I go to the 3 hour chart, this graph going to up. So I can decide the graph last portion going to up. You can see in this portion going to down, and in this portion going to up, and another on is this portion going to down. I already said in the previous video, and I think my prediction is going to up. I think my prediction is Bitcoin graph going to this position. After that it can break. So I think everybody understand what I mean and what I decide. My prediction is going to this position. Now I discuss about the BTC price. Today's BTC price is 41,711.60 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is 1 BTC is equal to 41,711.60 USD. So I hope everybody like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you.